Thank you for joining me at the ENCA Weather Center, where we're currently tracking the first major winter storm for this year. The system is going to start affecting Western South Africa on Wednesday and move into the eastern areas as we get into Friday. Now, this is going to be a particularly big system, which is going to bring with it quite a lot of nasty weather. It's going to be pretty breezy ahead of it over the central interior, where conditions for runaway fires are expected over the northwest and the Free State. The cold front is going to bring with it cloudy, chilly, and very wet weather, especially over the southwestern areas where localized flooding is possible in places. Then on Wednesday night, snowfalls are forecast over the Western Cape Mountains, spilling into the southern parts of the Northern Cape. On Thursday, we are going to see the cold front pushing further east and even starting to affect Gauteng on Thursday evening. Then by Friday midday, we are expecting the cold front to start affecting KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo. And by then, it's going to be pretty cold across much of South Africa, with significant snowfalls over highline areas, especially over the southeastern areas. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for heavy rain for your Wednesday over the Cape Winelands, the Cape Metropole, as well as the Overberg areas. A warning is also in place for high seas from Cape Bay all the way into Port Alfred. There is also a warning for gale force winds along the southwest coastline. And watch out for significant snowfalls, which could cause disruptions over the Western Cape Mountains and across the southwestern parts of the Northern Cape. We also have a watch in place for high fire danger across the Northwest Province, the Free State, the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, and across Western KwaZulu-Natal. Now, here's a look at the 72-hour rainfall accumulation map. Wherever you see the shades of purple over the western parts of the Western Cape, rainfall amounts could easily reach and exceed 50 millimeters in the next 24 hours. We are expecting similar rainfall amounts over KwaZulu-Natal by Friday. Then the 72-hour snowfall accumulation shows snowfalls over the western mountains of the Western Cape and around Sutherland. And if you think that's significant snow, that should be just dusting, considering what is going to happen over Lesotho and the Drakensberg Mountains, where snow depths could range between 25 and 50 centimeters. We're also expecting snow over the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape, across the southeastern areas of the Free State, and over western KwaZulu-Natal. Now, in the meantime, we are expecting this cold front to impact us even starting tonight. So as we look ahead to the rest of the week monitoring this system, we might just plan to keep warm and stay dry.
News that moves. ENCA.com.